In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the QR option in the app and how to use it smoothly and securely for fast payments. First, grab your phone and open the Wise app. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is up to date, since features like QR payments often work best on the latest version. If you're opening the app for the first time in a while, give it a moment to load your accounts and cards. A stable internet connection helps the process feel instant. Once you're inside Wise, head to Cards. This is the section where you manage your physical and digital Wise cards, and it's also where the QR payment option lives. If you don't see cards right away, check the bottom navigation bar or the main dashboard. It's usually one tap away. Entering the cards area puts you in the right place to use smartphone-friendly payment features, including QR codes used by many shops and services. Now, select Pay with QR code. As soon as you tap that, Wise will switch to your camera view. If you're prompted to allow camera access, go ahead and grant it so the app can read the code. Hold your phone steady and bring the QR code into the frame. You don't need to press anything. The app will automatically detect and scan it once it's clear and well lit. Good lighting, a clean camera lens, and keeping the code flat make a big difference. If the code doesn't scan right away, try moving your phone a little closer or farther or tilt slightly to reduce glare. After the scan, Wise will show you the payment details drawn from the QR code. This typically includes who you're paying and, if it's a dynamic code, the amount. Take a second to make sure the information looks right and that you recognize the recipient. QR payments are convenient, but they should always feel clear and transparent. If anything looks off, you can back out and double check with the merchant before proceeding. The app will guide you through any on-screen prompts to complete the payment securely. If Pay with QR code doesn't appear for you, make sure you're on the card screen, update the app, and note that availability can vary by region and account type. Also, QR codes are time sensitive in some cases, so if a code seems to fail repeatedly, ask the merchant for a fresh one. That's all there is to it. Open the Wise app, go to Cards, and select Pay with QR code to scan and pay quickly, safely, and with confidence.